Floyd. What are you doing, Floyd? I know what you're doing, but why are you doing it in such an awkward way? Like to have a morning bath. He has a neurological issue. So if you watch when he runs crooked. And when she flies, she can't fly. She flies in a circle and just falls to the ground. Oh no! I'd say you got bashed up when you fell out the nest or something. I'm on a YouTube channel. You can see when we tried to return Floyd to the baby, but they didn't want him back. Hey! Love you. Yeah, doofus. Yeah, I guess. They just want to eat the food.
Oh, they haven't done a wee, have they?
Let them out then.
Did he have a bath?
Yeah, he's still having one. I know what Ernie's doing over there. Hunter, you leave Ernie alone. Ernie! Good morning, Ernie. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Those little terrible buggers waiting to steal the chicken food.